Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So do you need to add a stamp or watermark to a PDF in Adobe Acrobat? Adobe Acrobat allows you to insert stamps such as approved, draft, reviewed, and costume stamps, as well as add watermarks containing text or images across one or multiple pages. These features are useful for business documents, contracts, reports, invoices, and intro reviews. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to add stamp and watermark to a PDF in Adobe Acrobat in 2026, simple and effective. So first thing, open the PDF, like launch Adobe Acrobat, open the PDF where you want to place a stamp. Review the documents and determine where the stamp should appear. Stamps are commonly placed on cover pages or approval pages. So open the stamp tool, like select all tools, like then tap view more, okay, and then tap stamp or tools and then tap stamp. So Acrobat will display available stamp categories, so the exact location may vary slightly depending on your Acrobat version. Choose a stamp, like select from built-in options such as approved, draft, confidential, final, reviewed, sign here. So you can also create costume stamps, okay? So built-in stamps are ideal for common document workflows. Then place the stamp, okay, and save the PDF, okay? So you can now add a watermark to the PDF, like open the watermark tool, okay, with the PDF open, select all tools and then edit a PDF and then tap watermark, or tap edit PDF and tap watermark and then add. So this opens Acrobat's watermark settings. So watermarks can be text-based or image-based, okay? So choose the text or image watermark, select one of the following: text watermark or image watermark, and then customize the watermark and apply the watermark. So after that, save the watermarked PDF, and that's it, guys. So thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.